Many years ago in Oñati, a small town in the Basque Country, lived Iñaki, a young dreamer with an idea capable of transforming the region. With a few friends and a lot of hope, they created a tiny workshop where they crafted parts to support the companies in their area. Little by little, their dream began to grow too. And soon, they started creating packaging machines that could protect food and many other products. Every day they gathered to share ideas, imagine new solutions, and dream of helping more people. This is how ULMA Packaging was born, and its machines reached every corner of the world. Today, Iñaki's dream is still alive, reminding us that when we dream big and walk together, anything is possible.